We're going to redo the example that I did in video 1, and I'm just going to show you how to organize it using this nice little box. Okay, and it's completely up to you, but I highly recommend using it. Okay, so there's the rule, and there's the parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to put each of the parts in this little box. Okay, and then we're going to pick the U by L-I-A-T-E, so we're going to write that right there. Okay, so in the question, the first thing I'm doing is filling in the U. So do I have a log? Yes, so I write it in here. And then everything else in the question goes into dv. So there's the U, there's the dv. So I get x squared dx. Okay, then I'm going to fill in the other two parts by taking the derivative, so 1 over x, and because this is just du, I'm bringing my dx to the other side. And then going this way, I'm just integrating, and the integral of dv gives me v, and the integral of x squared gives me x cubed over 3. Okay, and then nicely, this sort of just makes a little 7 here. See, u times v, and then minus these two. So this is going to equal u times v minus, and then you know you need to use an integral because you still have a dx. So integral x cubed over 3, 1 over x dx. Okay, so nicely organizes the information, and then again we'll just rearrange, and then this is the integral of x squared over 3, and then we solve that integral, and then plus c, and just make sure your final answer, if it's an indefinite integral, has the plus c in it. Okay, and that's your answer. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, so u, v, du, dv. I'm just going to use blue here for the parts that are in the question, sorry. So the u is in the question and the dv is in the question. So I'm going to pick that u by L-I-A-T-E. So logs, nope, I don't have a log in the question. Inverse trig, that would be like arc sine. I don't have any of those. Algebra, yep, the x is the algebra. So I'm going to leave that as x, and then the rest of the question goes in the dv. Okay, and now I'm ready to fill in the parts, so I'll do that in red. So I take the derivative, which is 1, and then I have a dx. And then I integrate. The integral of sine x is minus cos x. Okay, and I'm not going to put the plus c. And then it's going to be this times this. So minus x cos x. And then minus the integral of minus cos x dx. Okay, so then this is going to equal minus x cos x plus, and the integral of cos x is sine x plus c. Okay, so we're now integrating a product. Okay, so we're kind of undoing the product rule. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how that rule is the product rule.